Hey guys, welcome back to Whiz Kids. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a pretty flower. You'll be needing around, let's say, about 10-15 for each petal. And I'm gonna be using light purple. So you'll wanna wrap a band around your finger, put it on your hook, just like this, and then wrap it around again. Slide 2 bands through that and leave it like this. Grab 2 more bands, slide it through that, and then place the other end back on your hook. I wanted to make it because since it's getting towards the end of the summer, we can still keep the flowers just in a different way. So after it's like that, you'll just want to slide the first loop off of your hook and then slide 2 bands through through the second and third loops, and then put the first one back on. And if you're using rainbow colors like this, I used pink as red, and then orange, yellow, green, purple, and pink. You can just every row. So the cat band is the red, then the first part is orange, then yellow, then green is what we just slid through. And then you'll want to take the first 2 loops off of your hook and put them on your finger, and then slide, hold on. And then slide the loops on your hook, slide all of them through, and then place what was on your finger back onto your hook. And I will make another video on how you can do this on your loom, or at least I'll try to. And then what was on your finger, you slide off of your hook and onto 2 bands. And just remember, aside for the cat band, everything else is just 1 band. I mean, the cat band is 1 band, and then everything else is 2 bands. So after it's like that, so see we're at this point, you'll slide if you're doing the rainbow, just a pink band through, or just a random purple. But you'll want to slide the first loops off of your hook and slide the second and third off and onto another band, then put the ones that you could have put on your finger, put them back on your hook like this. So now the pink should be on the inside, and then you'll want to grab whatever inside color you're using. I'm using white, and slide 2 of those bands through. And don't mind, I'm working on a snow cone through Feeling Spiffy, and then a crayon, another crayon from Feeling Spiffy. And then, so don't mind that, and then what you just put on, what you just made on your loom. So I have a red or orange, yellow, green. I'm still working on my blue. I have my purple. So I'm gonna finish my blue now. And you could just pause the video and work on all of the rest of your other petals. So for my blue one, I just finished I think I'm on to my, let me see. I think I need my purple and my other inside color. And then I'll show you again on how to make it when I make my peak. But I'm just gonna go kind of fast for it. So now that I'm done with this one, I need to slide my 2 white bands through. And put it back on my loom. And then I'm gonna clean up my bands that way. Because birds like coming over here and I don't want them to take the bands. So then I'll show you with my pink bands. Because they'll probably just cicadas. Wrap it around your, and I'll show you another way for the 4 cat bands. Just wrap it around 4 times. It's the same, it's like it does the same both ways. And then you slide. So this flower is kind of used as my steps. You slide the cat band through. Place it back on your hook. Then, wait, no, don't place it back on your hook. Just slide 2 bands through the first loop. And then 2 bands through these. I like this way because it doesn't break apart as easily. But then what you want to do is take this loop off. Oopsies. Go. And put the second and third parts through the band. The first part back on your hook. So now we're here. You just put the green through. And then you'll want to take these 2 parts off. And then slide through, sorry if I went off camera. Slide through 2 bands, through those parts at the end, and then slide 2 bands through this, the part that was just on your finger. Like this, and then you'll just want to, then this is the last step for it, this is where you would add your pink. You can also put it on one of your fingers that's holding it. So that may be easier. Anyway, it's fine. Then you just slide it through the first, the second and third bands. Like this. And then you'll take your white bands. Put your white bands through. And then you can just leave your pink on. Collect your purple, and then your blue, then your yellow green, and then your orange, and then your red, and then just slide through 2 of your inside color, 2 of your white bands. Slide them through. I like this also because it's a quick and easy project. And then put the other loop back on your hook, and then tie a slip knot nice and tight. And then here's what it looks like. It's nice and pretty. You'll just want to weave your cat band, not your cat band, your extra band, your slip knot band, your slip band through you don't really need to see it because I'm kind of explaining everything. You just want to slide it through all the way, your band through, just make sure it's nice and hidden. And when you put it through all of them, it makes it nice and tight together. So then it keeps the petals also nice and together, and it's more tighter together. Okay. Just like that. please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.